Hey guys, welcome back to Cisco Academy. Today we're going to look at another hard SAT question. This question says the equation 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 over ax minus 2 equals minus 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2 is true for all values of x not equal to 2 over a, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? Well, the fact that this is an equation gives us a hint that we want to apply algebra to this question. So our first step would be to get rid of the denominator ax minus 2 on both sides. So what we do is we multiply both sides of the equation by ax minus 2. So let's do that. So we have ax minus 2 times the left-hand side and ax minus 2 times the right-hand side. And we can put everything else over here in brackets. So ax minus 2 and ax minus 2 cancel out. And ax minus 2 cancels out. And we multiply ax minus 2 by minus 8x and with minus 3. So this gives us, the top remains the same, so it's 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 equals minus 8ax squared plus 16x minus 3ax plus 6, and ax minus 2 cancels out, so we get minus 53 as our final unit, as our final constant. So now we move everything on the right hand side onto the left hand side. So our first step is going to be, so what we want to do is we want to match all the like terms, all the terms that have the same variables involved with each other. So minus 8x is the only one that has an ax squared, so we can just move it to the left hand side. So that's 8ax squared. 24x squared is also the only unit that has an x squared, so we can write it as plus 24x squared. And 25x minus 16x is plus 9x. And we can move the 3ax onto the left hand side as well. And remember to change the signs, so that's plus 3ax. And remember, it's the only expression, so we don't do anything with it. It's the only expression that has an ax. And minus 53 plus 6 is minus 47, so we have minus 47 on the right hand side and minus 47 on the left hand side, and they cancel each other out. So we can get rid of the minus 47 and the 6 and the minus 53. So we are left with 0 on the right hand side. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to simplify it further. And what we can do is, well, we know that x is a variable, right? It can have any value out there. It could be a 1, it could be a 9, it could be a 20,000, it doesn't matter. Whatever value that we have for x, the value of a is going to remain the same because the question says a is a constant, right? A is a constant. So whatever value of x is going to have, a is going to have the same value regardless of whatever value x has. So we can plug in, say, a 0 and a 1, and a is going to have the same number. A is always going to be the same. It's a constant. So we can let's try x equals 0. Well, if we try x equals 0, what happens is that we get a 0 on everything, 0 with every expression, and that's not very helpful, right? Because we'll have 8ax squared, 8 times 0 squared becomes 0, 24 times 0, 0 squared becomes 0, plus 9 times 0 becomes 0, plus 3a times 0 becomes 0. So we'll have all zeros, and that's not helpful because we want to find the value of a, right? So what we want to do is we want to try instead, let's try x equals 1. So in this case, we'll have 8a 1 squared plus 24 times 1 squared plus 9 times 1 squared plus 9 times 1 plus 3a times 1 equals 0. So 8a plus 3a, so all these expressions, this becomes 8a plus 24 plus 9 plus 3a. And we can add the like terms together, so that would be 8a plus 3a, that's 11a, plus 24 plus 9, that is 33, that's 33, equals 0. So now we can move 33 onto the right hand side, and that would become minus 33. So that's 11a equals minus 33. And now what we can do is, luckily, we can divide 33 by 11. It gives us a whole number, so that would be a equals minus 3, because 33 divided by minus 33 divided by 11 is minus 3. And that is our final answer. And let's see if we got it right. So here we have given our choice. So B, as we can see, gives us minus 3, just as we desired. And that is our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for dropping by.